They started a road from Xi'an to Istanbul, Istanbul to Rome, which is popularly called as the Silk Road. It was just not a road, it also carried ideas, religion, business, and many more things. Normally, globally, a country's culture is defined and by its roads on the land. But today I want to talk about something which is our national heritage, which is our culture, and which you have not seen, and to some extent you have neglected, that is Project Mausam. What is it? You look at India's tip in southern India, it is connected, it is known as the Hindu Mahasagar or Indian Ocean. And in olden days, it had a great influence on 39 countries, sir. With the east of the South Africa, then Zanzibar, then you go to Aden, then today's African continent, then UAE, then today's Pakistan, India, then comes Burma, Bhutan, then it goes up to Philippines, up to Vietnam, and many other independent islands. There was a route, there was a culture. We Indians are not colony makers, sir. We have never colonized anybody by power, but we did influence people by our ideas, by our behavior, by our honesty, by our business. Hence, all these countries, which I am talking 39 countries in the Hindu Mahasagar, they were influenced by India. And so many trade routes were developed in that. And we have neglected that in our Indian history, in our culture, which is a great heritage to our India, that all these countries have one or other Indian effect on that, India's culture on that. The many names in that entire South Asia had Indian names like Panduranga, Javadvipa, Suvarnadvipa, which we call today Panduranga as Padang, and Javadvipa Java, Suvarnadvipa Sumatra. Now I want to request to take this project forward. In monsoon winds, the sailors, time immemorial in olden days, used to sail from all these countries via India, then go to the southeast countries. And after the monsoon season was over, the reverse is to happen. The sailors will sail from other end to back to their country. The best example you can see in Odisha, they call it Bali Yatra. That means after the Sharad Purnima is over, people used to travel. And the best example also can be seen near Konark. Once in a year, after that festival, they leave the lamps, and elders in the family will come to the seashore, indicating our merchants is to travel to the far-off place. Even today, they are celebrating that, which my colleague Sushmit Patra will tell. This shows India's great history, great culture, great connectivity, and what Madam President has told is we should preserve it. To preserve this one, about in 2014, I suppose, a proposal was made called Project Mausam, because it is the monsoon winds which can